Today we're talking about Amazon's brand new launch of the new Fire TV Stick HD, which is gonna be available soon for pre-order. So we're gonna jump into the details of what this device is, what it isn't, and also should you pick this device up. So of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna jump right into it. This was on AFTV News, of course. Amazon has released a new Fire TV Stick HD. This comes with Vega OS, which is, as it states in the article, this is a big downgrade from other Fire TV devices. Even the previous Fire TV Stick Select hasn't really been well received. So let's jump into the details of what this device is. So Amazon just announced a new Fire TV Stick HD running its in-house Vega operating system. The company's first Vega OS Fire TV was the Fire TV Stick Select and has been sold alongside its Android TV based counterparts, the Fire TV Stick Plus. So this time, however, the second Vega Fire TV is completely replacing the previous Android-based Fire TV Stick HD, and that hardware has been around since 2020 with the Fire TV Stick Lite. So while you might be expecting nearly 6 years of development time to yield significant upgrades, the new Fire TV Stick HD is actually a step backwards in several ways. Not going to read this entire article. Let's jump into some of the details. So the only actual upgrades over the previous models are an improvement in Wi-Fi. So it's going from Wi-Fi 5 to Wi-Fi 6, and Amazon finally dropped the micro USB port for USB-C. These are good things, right? Otherwise, it remains 1080p. I get it's a budget device, but this is 2026. No one wants just a standard HD device. So 1080p with support for HDR10, HDR10 Plus, as well as HLG. It is still powered by 1.7 gigahertz quad-core CPU and 8 gigabytes of storage. And again, nothing to write home about. While Amazon says the new model is more than 30% faster on average than the latest generation HD stick. And they made similar claim with the Fire TV Stick 4K Select. We've yet to find, and it says in the article, I've yet to find where these performance improvements are hiding. Again, I've tested the device. Nothing really sticks out about the Fire TV Stick Select. I purchased it, I did a review, and it's in a drawer somewhere. What you lose with this model, apart from the desirable operating system, of course it's Android that isn't locked down, is what's included in the box. The new Fire TV Stick HD no longer comes with HDMI extender, which is very handy to pull the device away from the TV and improve Wi-Fi performance. Amazon now sells it as a separate $5.99 accessory. That is crazy. Amazon also no longer includes a power adapter in the box, which costs $19.99 on its own. What is Amazon doing? It's hard for me to keep reading this article, really. Not sure what Amazon's doing. Definitely taking a step backwards. And you might not expect the hardware that is nearly identical than what was released 6 years ago, and $26 worth of accessories removed from the box. The new Fire TV Stick HD would be much cheaper than the outgoing model. It goes on to say, well, you'd be wrong because it's the same price at $34.99 as the much more capable Android-based Fire TV HD that is replacing, which includes power adapter, HDMI extender in the box. So the new Fire TV Stick HD is available for pre-order now and will be released on April 29th. It's available in Canada, Mexico, the US, UK, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, and also it's coming to Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Belgium, Poland, and Sweden. And it goes on to say not that anyone should actually purchase it. Again, normally I drop links in the description, but again, apart from USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, I really wouldn't recommend this device to anyone. If you're in the market, especially if you're in the US, there's so many other devices that's much more capable. We know that even the new on 4K streaming stick that just got leaked is going to be a much better device. It is 4K for one, but it's going to be so much more capable. I would, at this point in time, just stay or stray away from Amazon Fire TV devices. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Is this something that intrigues you? Is this something that's just another backward step for Amazon? Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.